Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is an amazing video on ICT strategy that works day in and day out. It works almost every single day and you can bag pips really quick. You can capture 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour every single day in, day out, as I did say before. Of course, you're going to get losses. I like to be realistic with you guys. You're going to get losses, of course, like any other strategy. However, in the long run, this is an extremely profitable ICT trading strategy, okay? So I just want to say, if you can't watch an ICT video, for maybe an hour long, 2 hours long, like his normal video durations, and you can't watch this video, which is only 10 minutes long, which will teach you an entire strategy. After you finish this video, backtest it and you will be amazed. You will become a profitable trader if you do watch this video to the end, and if you do actually take time into actually checking out the strategy yourself. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this. So what we need for the strategy is we need to trade this at 2:30 London time, okay, all the way up to 4 o'clock London time. Okay, you're only literally trading what, 1 hour and 30 minutes every single day. Okay, so if you're trading on New York time, this is 9:30 New York time all the way to 11 o'clock New York time. You're only trading 1.5 hours, and this can replace your full-time job, only trading 1.5 hours. Okay, so anyway, what we're going to do is we're literally going to let price do its thing throughout this range. Okay, we're going to let it do anything throughout this range, and before the range, we're going to let price just do its thing. Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do on the 50-minute time frame. Okay, so yeah, let's just say the 50-minute time frame forms stuff like this, and then we get like price is at this region right now. Okay, so now we just mark out the highs and lows before this. Okay, so there's this low right here, there's this low right here, there's this high right here, boom, and there you go. Also, if price starts running through this period and it creates a new low right here, we can also mark out this high, no, this low, sorry, and we can also mark out this high right here if price forms a new high right here. So what I'm trying to say is that in this region, just trade however I'm telling you to trade right now, and it will make you a profitable trader. Okay, so anyway, what you're going to wait for is you're going to wait for price to take out one of these levels, or again, price can take out a new level which forms right here. So let's see, a new level forms right here. Price can take that out. Okay, so you're literally just going to wait for price to take out the level. Be patient. After it takes out the level, you're going to do something very sophisticated. I haven't seen anyone teach it like the way I am going to tell you right now, and no one really I mean, not a lot of people trade the strategy right here, but as you can see, once we get something like this, we go down to the 1 minute time frame. There doesn't have to be a market structure shift straight away. So what I'm going to say to you right now, you have to listen properly, and this will actually take you into the profitability stages. Okay, but before I do carry on, I do want to say, if you do want to join the mentorship program, I'll just show you some student results just before I go on to what it's all about. It's amazing. It's 2 strategy which I wouldn't teach on YouTube for free. It's better than this strategy right here, and better than any other one which I teach on YouTube for free. So if you want to become a profitable trader much faster and have a much higher probability of becoming a profitable trader than everyone else, join the mentorship today. Link in description below. You will regret not getting it for the discounted price today, and it will go up very, very, very soon. Okay, so what it includes is it includes all of this live calls trading, 2 live calls every single week, live trading with you guys, so you guys can see me entering the trades and you can learn at the same time. And again, it's only $49 a lifetime for now, and it will go back to its original price of $119 very, very, very soon. So right now it does say 24 and it's 25. However, the website does have a problem with their servers, so I can't really change it right now. But if it's still on offer, then go ahead and grab this right now, $49.99. And if you want to pay with crypto or PayPal, email me right here and I will reply to you very quick. Okay, so the thing you need to hear right here is that once price takes out, so the candle which takes the liquidity, so let's just say price takes out this liquidity right here, and this candle takes out the liquidity. Straight after this, price has to form a new low after taking the liquidity. After it forms a new low right here, we wait for price to retrace a little bit higher, and then we wait for the new candle to take out this low with a body. That's all we wait for. Okay, after it takes it out with a body, we literally just enter right here. We might get a little late entry, and then we're just going to cover the highs right there. Okay, and what I like to target for the strategy is 1-to-1. You might say, well, whoa, 1-to-1. It's because this is just an extra strategy on the side. The win rate is so good that I can confidently say to you guys, you can risk 3% or 2% in a trade. Okay, so 1-to-1, and sometimes it does run. Sometimes it does run to the recent sell side liquidity, like it might do right here. Okay, and again, this is not a one-hit trade example. This happens so many times, day in and day out, like I'll show you right here. Okay, so another way price can form is you're going to mark out the highs and lows, of course, and then what price can do is it can do this. So it can form a new low throughout this range. Boom, so it formed a new low. And then we just wait for the same thing to happen. We wait for price to take out this. On the 1 minute, we go down to the 1 minute time frame, and then there's 1 minute candle straight after it forms. We wait for a new high to form after it. Wait for price to break with the body, and then we enter. But if it goes past 11 o'clock, I wouldn't trade anymore. This is New York time, but if it goes past that, I wouldn't trade anymore. However, if I am holding a trade, I can hold it trade after that, okay? So there you go, and then we just enter like right here after price breaks of the body, and then we just literally let it run. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whenever you're happy, really, okay? So trade example right here, very nice trade example, because there are actually many ways to go about this with this. So what you're going to do, same exact thing like I told you, okay? So 230, we wait for price to hit 230, and then we just wait, and we mark out highs and lows, okay? And there was a high right here, boom, and this can be used as liquidity. The most recent low being right there, boom, low right here, boom, and there you go. So these are our liquidity points we're waiting for price to take out, and right here at 230, price did in fact take out this, okay? So as soon as price took out this liquidity, we wait for a new high to form straight after price took it out. There you go, price took out the liquidity right here, and then price formed a new low. Sorry, not high, but even low. And then after this happened, price formed a new low right here. So now we just literally wait for this low to be broken with a body, and then we enter our trade. Yes, what can happen is price will keep on running higher, but it's okay. Just leave this low, okay? Don't go for any other ones. The candle which took out the liquidity, if price keeps on going higher, don't use this one. Don't be like, okay, I'm going to wait for a new low to form here and then break and then I'm going to enter. No, just be very precise. Just go for the low. So the candle which took out the liquidity after it forms the low, just that one, okay? The first candle which took out the liquidity. After that, wait for the low to happen and then wait for that one. So if price breaks this one, you're still going to look for your entry, but yeah. And then you're going to mark out your new liquidity regions, of course, if you see any form, because you're going to trade this strategy all the way until 4 o'clock UK time, which is 11 o'clock New York time, okay? So you can see if there's new liquidity, and there you go, right here, there's a new high, and this can be used as liquidity, okay? So now we can wait for this one to be taken out and do the exact same thing. There you go, so this candle took out the liquidity, boom, and then straight after this, we're looking for a new low to form. Okay, there you go, a new low formed right here. And now we don't set our sell limits yet. However, no, not even sell limits. We just enter executions for the strategy. So as soon as price breaks this low with a body, then we get in. Boom, it broke with the body. Yes, you might get a little later entry. However, it's completely fine. And you can cover the high right there, the high which took out the liquidity right there, okay? And again, as I did say, you can target 1-to-1 first TP. And you can target sell side liquidity for your second TP if you like right there. And the win rate is so incredibly high, okay? Test it for yourself. As I did say in the mentorship, I teach strategies which I do believe have a higher win rate than this right here. And it's incredible. So the mentorship, I would say, is better than this strategy right here. But you don't have to have it if you don't want to, but you will become profitable much faster, okay? Same thing right here, okay? So we go back to 230, being right here. And then we do same exact thing. We mark out our highs and lows. So there's a high right here. There's a low right here, a low right here, and now we just wait for one of these to be taken out, okay? Okay, this low hasn't got taken out yet, however, I do think it will get taken out straight after this. Okay, so this low got taken out, however, it didn't form a high, so we're going to cancel this one. And this low got taken out, and now we're waiting for a new high to form. And boom, straight away, this new high formed right here, after price took out the liquidity. And now we wait for that high to be taken out of the body. Boom, we got that. And then we just enter right there. Again, you can get a little late entry like this, but the win rate, I just keep on saying it so much. The win rate is so incredibly high. And yeah, you can just be living like that, okay? And just like that, it did actually run a little bit, ran to this fair value gap right here, and then it did end up reversing. I won't lie to you, it did do exactly that, but it's all right, okay? But the win rate for this strategy is so incredibly high. You can confidently risk 2% to 3% in a trade. However, my strategies, I can say this confidently, are better than this right here. I can say it. So if you want to join the mentorship and know who the real deal trading is, you can join today. Link in the description below. I'll help you out in the best of my in the best way I can possible. You might say, well, why is it so cheap? The reason why it's so cheap is because I want people to manage my funds trading my strategy, which I'll teach here. And when they manage my funds will be on autopilot, okay? So that's why it's $50 lifetime. And again, it is going to go up to its normal price of $119 soon. So join today, link in the description below. Anyone can afford it. It's cheaper than a pair of shoes, really. Cheaper than if you're going to go out on a day out in a restaurant, in a high-end restaurant. It's not even high-end, even low-end. You can join today, link in the description below. You won't regret it. You will regret not getting it for this price. But anyway, join today, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.